किसी ने मुझसे कहा कि तुम अच्छे नहीं लगते, किसी ने मुझसे कहा कि तुम अच्छे नहीं लगते, तो मैंने भी मुस्कुरा कर कह दिया कि किसी ने कहा कि तुम अच्छे नहीं लगते, तो मैंने भी मुस्कुरा कर कह दिया शेर शेर को अच्छे लगते हैं, कुत्तों को नहीं। तो गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। My name is Kajal and today is our presentation session. We know that presentation session is very important for our English improvement. How can improve our personality? How can improve our eye contact and our speaking? So this is most important in our life. So firstly आज मैं ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारे इंडिया के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरत है और हम लोग को जानने के लिए भी बहुत ही ज़रूरत है। Are you guess my topic? Okay. My presentation topic name is Indian culture. We know that Indian culture is most important in our Indian people because you have a lot of idea about Indian culture because Indian culture is very good according to foreign culture because Indian culture dress up, Indian culture people style, Indian culture people's farming, it is very good according to me in the Indian people's dress up is so good because Indian people wear the suit, sarees and also this type of just like a dhoti kurta, it is very good according to in the foreign dress up is just like also a small dress up. This time you wear the small dress, that time your look is not good, but we know that you wear the sarees, you wear the suit, that your look is so smart and so very beautiful, attractive for us. People also look you. But we know you wear the shirt, that time people look you, but don't good nature that people say look, but this is a very bad nature. So this is also very bad and it Indian people care our family member, care our relation and also respect our teacher, our student and every people. So it is most important in our life, but also in the Indian people's one bad thing available because in the Indian president, Indian any leader don't give the option, don't give the opportunity, just like you research anything, just like also number of students want to research anything, but that people say that this is a copy, this is a very bad thing. But in the China, in the America, to give the freedom about a student, any children, child, women, that's a main reason that foreign culture is so fast running, grow, but in India not grow. Just like also now time in the America, China available the AI, but in India not available the AI. This is a very bad thing because also now time AI very most important in our life, in our anything, just like also now time AI so fast, so running according to human. So it is very most important and our Indian culture festival is there are many type of festival are so important, just like our Indian festival Chhat festival, Holi, Navratri and Tej etc. and all people celebrate that festival and live very happy. But in our city areas and just like also in our foreign culture not celebrate the live with happy and not any celebrate the Eid and Chhat festival, but our areas just like also peoples every time help the poor person, help the both of neighbor and also respect our family member, everything available. So it is very most important in our life and now time also number of good teacher present and also teach very well. That's main reason now time students so very run fast and grow in this era because this is a modern era and now time all teacher teach very well according to me, but also number of students don't focus on study, don't focus on respect the teacher. That's the main reason that a student is not well, but all people want to I will be a successful and I will be a very good person, but you also suggest and you every time you achieve, every time you do the good work, just like a hard work, a smart work, then you also grow and successful in our life. And you don't do the good work, then you also low. So this is most important in our life. And in our Indian culture, people's behavior is good according to foreign culture, because foreign culture always time self condition, just like always time respect our family, may not respect our neighbor peoples, our relation peoples, but our Indian peoples always time respect all peoples. This is also bad thing, and behavior is so good and help always time all peoples. This is most important in our life. So thank you everyone.